Now, channel-free early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, we had a cold front move through Connecticut late yesterday, bringing rain to the state and cooler temperatures now, and we're starting to dry out. But as we head forward in time, Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday, we're going to be tracking a developing coastal storm, an ocean storm that's going to basically linger offshore once it gets just up in our general area starting tomorrow. So this could linger and wobble and meander very near southern New England, keeping us unsettled for a multiple-day period, Wednesday, Thursday, and now into Friday. And with this being said, we could see periods of rain, at times moderately heavy, as well as a strong breeze out of the east and northeast, and then as well cooler than normal temperatures. That's basically the headlines as we look forward in time for Wednesday, Thursday, and again into Friday. So right now we've got temperatures in the upper 50s across interior Connecticut, lower 60s along the shoreline, and we do have a northeasterly breeze that is going to keep temperatures today near or maybe even a little bit below average, very much dependent upon if we see much in the way of clearing as we head through the rest of today. So the cloud cover right now fairly extensive, but we could see some intervals of sun here and there as we head through the next several hours as we look live from initially Torrington, now into our capital city, and as well from New Haven. You can see the extensive cloud cover there and more of the same looking live from New London. So again, the lingering showers now have come to an end in far eastern Connecticut, continuing to diminish as they work into eastern or into central Rhode Island. And then again, all the front itself is offshore, and behind it we do have that clearing that's going to try to work southward with high pressure building in from the north just briefly before the storm moves up the coast. So looking at futurecast for the rest of today, again, trying to show a little bit in the way of some clearing taking place, and then as we head back into the overnight hours, as this storm develops and heads up in our general direction, we'll see an increase in cloud cover, and then Futurecast painting a scenario here where we could get some showers into the state by say midday tomorrow, definitely during the afternoon time frame. So I want to show you on the big picture here what we're looking at. Again, the front has moved offshore, but we've got an area of low pressure that's currently off the coast of the Carolinas, and so that's going to progress up in our direction. Then once it again gets close to southern New England, just going to kind of meander offshore over the rest of the week. So I want to show you one scenario here with the GFS model that basically brings rain in the state tomorrow afternoon at varying intensities, periods of rain on and off, at times heavier perhaps into Thursday. And this animation takes us not only through tomorrow into Thursday, but also into Friday evening before perhaps beginning to taper off. So on our 7-day forecast, certainly going for periods of rain, cool temperatures, highs only in the mid to say upper 50s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The wind will be a factor as well. Morning low temperatures in the 40s. As we showed you at the top of the broadcast, or in our first weather segment, we do have a bit of a deficit in the rainfall department. We could potentially wipe that entirely away based on how this storm tracks. And we're going optimistically drier right now for the upcoming weekend, which is good news, of course, for all the spectators, volunteers, and participants in any of the races happening for the Hartford Marathon, Half Marathon, Relay, or 5K. So morning lows in the low 40s, afternoon highs this weekend in the mid 60s, and Columbus Day as of now looking pretty good. And for shoreline highs after today, turning cooler as well, upper 50s, close to 60 Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, you don't need the umbrella for the rest of today, but you will certainly need it for the rest of the week.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. We're going to have, and then a lot of Connecticut schools are out tomorrow in observance of Yom Kippur.
Yes,
so it
indeed.
looks like it's going to be a wet day as people are observing.
Thursday, I think, looks to be the wettest. Tomorrow, just maybe some scattered showers. But yeah, the rain will be on and off basically now, starting tomorrow through Friday.
Good for the marathon.
There you go. Yeah. Hope.